Morning everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Well, me and Melanie and Michelle got a big load, a heaping truckload of dry, dead oak. Beautiful, dry, ready to burn and heat our house. Oh, what a blessing. All dry. Look at that, all dry. Such a blessing. Cracked. It's so dry. This was my first load. So it might be, yeah, that one's damp. That was on the ground. This is my first load in a year, and I actually did it. I was able to do it. So we're gonna unload this, and well, it feels good. That's a week of heat right there. Heating our house for a week. Well, that's what we had, and all this is new today. It's a decent amount of wood. It's a face cord, so it's 1 week of heat for our home. And we're going to keep going with our firewood fence, 2 rows deep, 6.5, 7 foot tall, all the way down Lyle Road. We have enough to get probably down to the back corner of our lot here. These I had brought in a couple years ago. I'm just going to cut them, split them, stack them, dry them, and burn them. They've been here for too long and they're in the way, because I'm going to extend this out to that tree right there and straight across, and then we'll have the gates up front, and this will all be blocked off entirely, which is good. Right now it's lunchtime, and I'm going to close things up, close up the gates, and take a break for lunch, and then we'll start stacking wood. Well, after lunch and some rest, I came out and I trimmed a mess of brush and branches back again, and I got a pallet down. We're going to extend the firewood pile / security fence, and I've got a path cleared through. That tree's got to go, or my chain slipped off my chain. Somehow the old Husky, the nut comes loose, the tensioner nut that keeps the cover on for the chain tensioner. Anyway, that tree's in the way, but I don't think we're going to get that far today. But I'm going to continue on along the fence line all the way down Lyle and then around Carroll with a double row of firewood. So this gives us 1 row to burn 1 year, and the other row is security for the next year. And then we keep replenishing one side, and then 1 row is fresh, ready to 1 row is going to be green and carrying for next year, and 1 row will be aged and dry for this year. And that way we can alternate it out all the time and always keep putting green on one side and fresh on the other, and it should be pretty good that way. Well, I've added 2 more pallets, and we've got them half full out to here. I figure 2 pallets is a full cord of firewood, so we're getting there. We're gonna have 3 cord by the end of the day, but I have to go to town and get a new bar for my chainsaw. The old Husky, that bar has been bent for a couple years and it's really annoying me. And I hope today to get these logs out of here. We've cleared them off. I want to cut them and get them out of the way and put them over to be split and then dried and stacked. Those were supposed to be for the sawmill, but they're too old and they got to get out of the way so I can extend the wood pile another 2 pallets, another full cord. The pile is dwindling. I cut up all those logs that were in my way, and we had firewood out all over here. It's all gone. I've got another pallet up. That's the logs that need to be split that I just cut. And the new stack, I'm going to drag another pallet out. I might even do another if there's room. We'll see how far this is. I don't know if that's 8 or 16 feet, but we're going to see as soon as I bring a pallet over. And keep going. There's a few cord of firewood. It's we might have 3 months of firewood by the time we're done tonight, stacked up. And we need 6. So keep plugging at it. I'm gonna angle my pile a little. I might get another pallet in. I guess we're gonna see. So there's that. I don't know. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not gonna angle that. It won't be as stable. But I can just stack some boards up, or some logs up here, just to get that last little bit in there. And my arm is still hurting, so I'm being careful. I use 2 hands to pick up a log. I need something longer because there's broken boards there. I gotta find something for that bottom. There's the board broke out. Well, this was high up to here, all up in here. This was all up here. This was all out to the fence line, all the way out where I'm standing. And now it's there. I'm tired. I thought I was gonna stack it up to the end tonight, but nope. I still gotta edit the previous video I promised you, and then get this video up for tomorrow. So, it's time to go in. Well, please like this video. I'm feeling good about what we did today. The family helped. They're in cooking right now. But really good day. I'm feeling really good about it. All that we got stacked up and ready to be split. And yeah, there's a day. My first full day back to work. Real hardcore working day again since I got injured. Feeling good. Leave me a comment, tell me what you think, and if you haven't done so, please subscribe and share this video. Tell everybody about it. You never know what's coming tomorrow. Talk to you later.